Hey guys, Dylan was one here today, and as you can see, I am doing a rare trade with 1lillian4, and according to her guestbook, she is scam free. But one of my friends I just added told me that she got scammed out of her SS dress because she was training for Cupid hair. As you can see, it's colors right here that got scammed, even though there's all these scam frees in her guestbook. And I'm trading her a 1 month VIP code for her Cupid hair, and hopefully she doesn't scam. Otherwise, I'm recording so I can expose her, pretty much. And it's been a while since I've actually recorded any kind of video of some sort on my YouTube channel, so I guess I might as well get back into doing that since I have some more free time. And I just recently bought new VIP again, and then a diamond pack to get the new set, which was being really laggy. I got the colors I wanted the first time, which is blonde hair and a white dress. And then I bought my diamond pack, and that's what I meant by being laggy, is because the colors are absolutely ugly. I mean, the dress isn't, it's just the hair is. So if anyone wants to trade for the new set, let me know. Oh my gosh. My MSP is lagging, boys and girls. I'm gonna pause this real quick, and well, wait, there's no need to pause it. I'll actually go on my phone and pull up the VIP code for her. So I'm back to trading her, and if she scams, she scams. I've exposed her. But as you can see, there's the new set. It's weird. I kind of wish it came with shoes, but it doesn't. So. Okay, here we go. 1 month code. And she wants me to go first, so we'll see. I guess while I wait, I'll show you guys the new set and the color that I didn't mean to ask for, like I said, because it lagged really bad. I mean, so originally I had the blonde hair and I had this dress, and I bought it. That's what I got for the year VIP. And then I bought a diamond pack, and I got this color dress, which I changed to black afterwards, but I guess it lagged and didn't work, and then the hair turned out to be that. So if any of you guys are interested in trading for the new hair and that color, I am more than willing to trade it because I do not like it. I'm just waiting for this girl to finish whatever she's doing so I can trade her. Like I keep on saying, if she's not scam free, according to her YouTube, then I shall be exposed, y'all. I haven't done an exposed video in a while, or it might even be my first one. I want to be honest. So, but I am currently enjoying my summer break, and I am out of high school and I graduated. Plan on going into the Marines and all that good stuff. So yeah. Currently waiting for her to message me back. And do you guys enjoy making videos? Like I said, it's been a little while since I've actually uploaded a video. I'm actually looking up my YouTube, not counting my choir videos that I've uploaded. I haven't uploaded a gaming video since um, I don't know when the last time I uploaded a video was. Just have to find out. Hold on. Let's see. It's been at least a year, but I guess I don't know. Or it's time to make a new YouTuber, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it is. She better get back on because I will be mad. And I guess they disabled my Facebook account, my YouTube account, so it looks like I'm making a new one. I guess if you guys want to add me, my YouTube is Tori Watson. That's about it. I'm gonna keep you guys on pause for a few minutes until she gets back on. Okay, guys, I'm back after waiting, so I'm gonna send her the code. Hopefully, she's scam free, like she said. lag is so bad on the keyboard. Obviously, she's checking it right now. So hopefully... That's why I have a backup made. So far, she doesn't block me. So far, so good. Okay, she's messaging me something. I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh. I want to pause again, guys, if that's okay with you. Okay, guys, I'm back. So far, she hasn't blocked me. She says she's sending, so we'll see. She's a scammer, y'all. Okay. Results and going into my backup. Oh god. See, I told you I'd expose her. There goes a waste of money down the drain. I'm gonna go my main on here. Alright, check it out. Excuse me. Here we go. Oh, that's funny. Spam texting, how fun. I'm back, guys. It's funny how she's pretending like nothing's even happening. So there might be a part 2 to this video. Who knows? Otherwise, one never cuts off, it just cuts off, and I'll let you guys know what happens. So yeah. I love how she's pretending that she doesn't even know she scammed someone.